Gelish SoftGel. Nail prep. Sanitize the client's hands and nails. Push back cuticles and remove the excess tissue. Shape the natural nails using a 240-240 thin wooden file. Gently remove the shine using a 100-180 grit buffer. Cleanse nails with Nail Surface Cleanse and a Wipe It Off lint-free wipe. Apply a thin coat of pH Bond nail prep. Measure and prep tip. Size soft gel tips, ensuring a close fit side to side, completely covering the nail grooves. Apply 1 coat of tip primer to the underside of all 10 soft gel tips. Apply tip primer to natural nails. Application. Apply a liberal amount of soft gel tip adhesive to the soft gel tip contact area. Place soft gel tip onto the nail using a rolling motion for bubble-free application. Start firmly from the cuticle area with constant pressure to the free edge. Flash cure for 5 seconds with the touch LED light. Cure all 5 fingers for 60 seconds in the 18G LED light. Shape and finish. Refine free edges using the 180-180 grit file and remove the shine using the 100-180 buffer or the Gelish Go file. Remove the dust using Nail Surface Cleanse and wipe it off lint-free wipes. Apply Morgan Taylor lacquer of choice. Repeat for full coverage and finish with top coat. Apply a thin coat of Gelish Soak-Off Gel Polish, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 30 seconds in the 18G LED light. Cure. Repeat for full coverage and cure. Cure. Apply Top It Off sealer gel, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 30 seconds in the 18G LED light. Massage Nourish Cuticle Oil. Removal. Sanitize the client's hands and nails. Remove lacquer and reduce nail length. If Gelish Soak-Off Gel was used, break the top seal by gently roughing the surface with a 100-180 grit buffer and remove shine, or reduce bulk using Go file with a bit of choice. Saturate a cotton pad or wrap it off foil wrap with artificial nail remover. Place onto the nail and soak for 15 minutes. Remove foil. Gently remove any remaining gel. Continue to soak if needed. Lightly buff nail surface with a 100-180 buffer. Massage Nourish Cuticle Oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate.